Thank you for purchasing your new LED sign. This video is designed to guide you through the column mount installation process. Because every installation is unique, no single procedure is approved for mounting the displays. For this purpose, we have selected a typical size and model. Please speak with your consultant about any special instructions for your particular sign. Before the sign arrives, an electrical source and data cable should be run to the sign's location by a licensed electrician. The electrical and data should not be run together, as this may cause communication issues. The customer will be responsible for ensuring that a qualified structural engineer approves the bracket that the sign is being mounted to. The installer will be responsible for ensuring that the mounting bracket and hardware are capable of supporting the display, and that the mounting bracket follows all local codes. The support bracket design will depend on the mounting method, display size, and weight. Also, be mindful of the location of the mounting bracket with relation to the power and data demarcation points on the back of the display. When your sign arrives, be sure to inspect it for any damage that may have occurred during the shipping process. Take great care while unloading and uncrating the display. Damage after delivery, due to improper lifting, is not covered by the warranty. It is recommended that a handler be on each side of the crate when the display is lifted out. A Torx bit is required to uncrate the sign. Do not open the sides of the crate during unpackaging. The sides of the crate provide support to the display and prevent the sign from toppling. Removing the sides may result in severe damage to the display face. Inspect the crate, sign face, box of accessories, and the sign structure. If there is any damage to the aluminum cabinet structure, refuse shipment and call the customer support number on your screen. If there is other damage, accept the delivery and remember to call customer support. Be sure to note the damage on the bill of lading. Lifting points are for lifting a single display at a time. They cannot be used to lift the sign if it is attached to another sign section or a prefabricated frame. Take care when lifting the LED cabinet as not to drag the sign face. Connect the sign to the lifting equipment with lifting straps or chains. Use every lifting point provided. Lower the display to a solid, stable, flat surface. Do not attempt to permanently support the display by the lifting points. If the display is at risk of being knocked over by the wind or is otherwise unstable, secure it to a solid anchorage with straps or a cable. Ensure all items are removed from the crate before discarding by verifying them on the packaging checklist. Verify the following before proceeding with the installation. The display is in good condition after shipping and uncrating. Clearance in front of the display is maintained to allow unobstructed access to the sign's internal components. The sign will include integrated brackets welded to the side of the cabinet. The mounting bracket will then bolt to these integrated brackets. See the drawings associated with your particular sign for correct orientation of the mounting brackets. The sign's integrated brackets do not have pre-drilled holes, since proper positioning of the mounting brackets is unique for each installation. Measure the sign and the columns to ensure proper placement of the mounting brackets. Raise the sign to the installation area. Drilling into the integrated brackets is required for attachment to the mounting bracket. Attach the integrated brackets to the mounting brackets using 1/2 inch grade 5 bolts and hardware. If a temperature sensor will be used with the display, extract it from the shipped position. To do this, loosen the strain relief and extract the probe. To prevent the probe from moving, retighten the strain relief. The light sensor is pre-connected to the controller inside the sign. Take care not to damage the light sensor or cable during the installation process. The light sensor must be mounted in a position to receive the same sunlight as the LED sign face. Do not mount the sensor directly on the sign cabinet. To prevent water intrusion, mount the light sensor right side up. Attach waterproof connections for both the electrical and the data on the back of the LED cabinet, approximately 3 inches from the bottom. For full concealment, the electrical and data source should enter from behind the LED cabinet. Have a licensed electrician make the final connections and connect the data line. 3M Scotch lock or equivalent gel-filled connector is recommended to connect the data line. If your sign has a wireless network connection, attach the antenna to the side of the sign and turn it to point upward. Wireless communication requires a direct line of sight between both antennae. To prevent water intrusion and to obtain best visual appeal, be sure to remove the lifting points. Plug the holes with a metal washer, rubber washer, and bolt that are included with the box of accessories. With the provided touch-up paint, you can paint the bolt heads to match your sign. Your installation is now complete. If you have any question about your sign, please feel free to call our dedicated support line. We hope you will think of us for your future signage needs.